Do you know that poor people stay poor because they are scared of how other people who are poor will judge them for taking the action that they took to become rich? A lot of people around you want you to fail in a business that you want to start. That helps them to justify themselves for not taking the risks and playing it safe. So by you taking that risk, taking that action, you have a chance to become successful. It reminds me that they could have also taken that risk and become successful themselves. This may sound harsh, but stop a minute and listen to what I've got to say. How many times do we let other people's opinion stop us? Especially those people that are not living the life that we want. We let their opinions hold us back. This is a major truth bomb, and you know it. They want you to secretly fail, not because they're necessarily bad people. It's because success challenges them. They are jealous of the success that you took. Stop letting the fear of judgment stop you. Just concentrate on your path, and the rest of them will stay on the sidelines. I have a business opportunity for you that you might be interested in. Drop ready in the comments if you would like to become part of my team. I really would love to share it with you.